Based rather outcome, even if you rather against, individual cannot get greater benefits from it at this time for any two consumers. The marginal substitution rate of any two commodities is the same, and the utility of the two consumers is maximized at the same time. Optimal production. This economy must be on the boundary of its own production possibilities. At this time, for any two producers who produce different products, the marginal technology substitution rate of the two production factors that need to be input is the same, and the output of the two consumers is maximized at the same time. Optimal products mix. The combination of products produced by the economy must reflect consumer preferences. At this time, the marginal rate of substitution between any two commodities must be the same as the marginal product conversion rate of any producer between these two commodities. Example: a numerical example of allocative efficiency. Allocation efficiency occurs when there is an optimal distribution of goods and services. Considering consumer preference, when the price equals marginal cost of production, the allocation efficiency is that at output level. This is because the optimal distribution is achieved when the marginal utility of good equals the marginal cost. The price that consumer is willing to pay is same as the marginal utility of the consumer. From the graph we can see that at the output of 14, the marginal cost of goods is 6 while the price that consumer is willing to pay is 15. It means the marginal utility of the consumer is higher than the marginal cost. The optimal level of the output is 17, where the marginal cost equals to marginal utility. At the output of 15, these products or service is universally consumed by the society. By increasing the output to 17, the price will fall to 11. Meanwhile, the society would benefit from consuming more of the good or service. An example of allocation inefficiency. With the market power, the monopoly can increase the price to gain the supernormal profit. The monopolies can set the price above the marginal cost of the production. In the case, the allocation is not efficient. This threshold the debt which will follows to the society as a whole. In real life, the government's intervention policy to monopoly enterprise will affect the allocation efficiency. Large-scale downstream companies with more efficient or better products are generally more competitive than other companies. The wholesale price they get are much lower than those of their competitors. It is conducive to improving the efficiency of allocation. Einers and Sever found that banning price would reduce allocation efficiency and lead to higher wholesale prices for all enterprises. More importantly, social welfare, industry profit, and consumer surplus would all be reduced. Also, for an extensive discussion of various types of allocative efficiency in an production context and their estimation, see cycles and Hughes. The single price model at the point of allocative efficiency, price is equal to marginal cost. At this point, the social surplus is maximized with no Dirac-based laws.